Hey favorites, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel to join the family. So first things first, we're going to prep our braiding hair. So you want to cut your braiding hair into 3 different parts, okay, 3 equal parts. Now this combing part is not really necessary. You can go ahead to feather your braiding hair, but I like doing this because it makes the process easier for me. So go ahead to feather your braiding hair. Trust me, this is one of the easiest wigs you're going to see. Like, it's very easy to make and it turned out beautiful. When I say beautiful, I mean beautiful. I fell in love with this wig. So after doing that, go ahead to brush out your wig. You can either brush or comb it. So for this tutorial, you're going to need a rope, either a rope or a thread or Brazilian wool, whatever it is you have. You can tie it on one end of a table and then on the other end of the table. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I had to like tie it to my dummy head and then to a nail close to the other side. So we're going to be working in sections. Take out a big section of braiding hair and place it on the rope. Then you go ahead and braid. Now a mistake I made was not twisting before braiding. Yes, I went ahead to braid, so when I was unraveling it, it was difficult for me. So what you want to do is to twist the top just once, just do like a twist on top and then you start braiding. Yes, as you can see, I went ahead to just braid, and when it was time to unravel, it was a bit difficult to separate at the top. So these were the ones I did. It was 8 in number. For the next part, you're going to need hot water and then any conditioner of your choice. You can make use of a deep conditioner or a leave-in conditioner, and then you go ahead to add any hair oil of your choice. Stir with your comb, and I'm going ahead to dip the braiding hair into the hot water. Make sure every part of it touches the hot water. And this is what it's looking like. It's looking so silky and shiny even as it's braided. So I went ahead to loosen the braiding hair. Make use of a comb, or if you can use your hand to loosen it gently, you can go ahead and do that. Yes, it's very easy to lose. Yeah. Now this was the reason why I said you should twist the top. I was finding it difficult to know how to separate it, so you want to twist it once and then braid. Go ahead to brush your attachment, or you can now call it a kinky straight hair. You'll be needing a wig cap or a wig net, any one you choose. So yeah, I went ahead to start crocheting the braiding hair to it. So I started working with little sections. I made sure I crocheted close to each other to enable it look full and nice. Before we get to the front, I didn't really make use of a headband, like that black headband they use for headband wigs, because I couldn't get it at the moment. So I just left a little space in front so I can tie any scarf or use any headband of my choice. That was exactly what I did. But if you are to make this wig yourself, for yourself, you can make use of that black headband. I'm going to look for a picture and leave it at this point. And the good part about using that is after using that at the front of the wig, you can still use your headband, your colorful headband, or whatever it is you want to use. You can still use it in front. Yes, but since I didn't have that, I went ahead to use a headband I made some time ago. So let's continue with the crochet. I continued everything, and at this point I gave too much gap in between the two I've done, so I had to like go over it again and add some hair. So this part, it depends on the size you want. If you like full hair, you can go ahead and add more and more, so it's going to come out full, because remember we brushed the wig, so it made it puff out a bit, it made it look bigger. You understand? You just have to like add a lot of hair to it. And if you don't want it to be so bouncy or much, you can make use of your conditioner on the wig. The conditioner is actually going to shrink it a bit. Don't apply so much, just apply a bit and it's going to reduce the size. And this is what it's looking like right now. Yeah, I was already done. At this point I was not yet feeling the vibe, so this was what I did in front. I told you I left a little space in front, so you can go ahead and use this method, or you can add a black headband in front. Yeah, so go ahead and brush your wig, brush it out to make it fuller. And this is what it's looking like with the headband on. I went ahead to add headband. And so at this point, hey guys, hi. Right now I'm showing you how to wear the wig. So you can use a wig cap on your head first. And I went ahead to put on my headband because I was going to wear makeup and I didn't want it to get stained, so I had to wear this first and then go ahead to do my makeup. So after putting on the headband, you go ahead to put on your wig and then use your headband to cover it, or your scarf. If you're going to tie a scarf, you can go ahead and do that. So I'm going to be laying my edges using a gel and then an edge control. This is how I lay my edges and it lasts for a long period of time. So I'll be going ahead to use my brush to style it. After doing this, I went ahead to do my makeup. At this point, everything was just coming together and I was like, okay, I can't wait to see the finished look. And after everything, I was like, wow. I really loved this. It's so full and nice. It's very beautiful. So you can style this anyhow you want. I went ahead to show you guys how to style your own if you want to rock it in another form. So you can do like a half up, half down kind of style. Honestly, this is my favorite style out of all. This is my favorite style. I kept rocking this after that day. So this one is like a side part, and then for the next one, just follow up what I'm doing. It's very easy and it came out beautiful. I really hope you try this out. I really hope you do try it out. It's so beautiful and I believe you're going to love it as much as I did. So after this style, you can go ahead to rock the second style as well from that first style. Once again, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to the channel to join this family. We do lots of wig tutorials here, lots of affordable wig tutorials and different DIYs on this channel. So you can surf through the channel and subscribe to the channel to join the family. So this is the final look. I really hope you try this out. Can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.